All right, I'm in this place and it's a little bit of a mess. All right, the plan is to reverse out. It's a little bit tricky when you're reversing out to the road. Pushing that way, I'm gonna have to pull forward. Ah, this is mental. Off. Honestly, this is absolutely crazy. Yeah, you can go first, madam. Yeah, that's the back there. Oh my god, this is another crazy place as well. All right, 557,000 crates late. A really long one. I'm gonna have to like twist the trailer kind of stuff to be able to get out of there. A bit wide, I would say, but here we go again, guys. New video. We are already on the road and it's traffic absolutely everywhere. We're stopping and moving, but it happens. Yeah, it's a little bit messy around there. I'm gonna have to take a turn here and it's a bit tight because it's too many cars. Look at that, we're coming full stop now again. And this is what's going on. Look at the amount of traffic behind me. It's absolutely mental and it's not even rush hour. It's only 10 to 2. And the cars are really close to me as well, like you see when I go past here. Look at how close I'm going past the cars. I would like to push more a little bit this way to be able to avoid to hit that fence on that side there. There's a lot of traffic back there. Take it calm when I'm going down. There's cars left and right. And we go past that. Driving in a city, especially when it's this busy as well. It's a Saturday as well. I don't know why it's actually this busy. It shouldn't be like this. All right, I'm going to Team Valley first, which is one of the Sainsbury. I'm gonna drop off my load and then I got a second load. First one, Team Valley, drop it off, get my stuff and get out. I got a heads up saying when you come in, you're gonna have to reverse. But I'm gonna go in first and have a look and then I'm gonna get out and reverse. Depends how much of space I got in there. I might turn around and then inside. I talked to somebody, so like it's better reverse, but you might be able to turn around. Everybody reverse in. All right, I'm in this place and it's a little bit of a mess. So that's there, and all that there. So I'm gonna have to reverse back out and then reverse in. It's a little bit tricky, but it's not gonna take me more than 5 minutes, hopefully, because I need to get going as well. So let's do it. So get back out, reverse in there, and it should be all right. So, all right, the plan is to reverse out. So I'm gonna have to do it somehow. Somebody's gonna have to let me out or something. Just approach to the road slowly and see if nobody comes, so I'll be able, like, because I need to pull forward. It's a little bit tricky when you're reversing out to the road. So I'm on the road now, so that's all right. Woo! So he needs to. You come. Yeah, so that way they just go forward and then I just reverse in. All right, let's do it. I know the best are blind spotting, but I get something done. Let's have a look at this. Pushing that way, I'm gonna have to pull forward. Open the doors. Come to about here, around there, I think. Oh, how do people do this one? Woo! I need to be careful with that side as well. I think I'm gonna have to pull forward a bit again. Ah, this is mental. All right, that should be all right there. All right. Off. Ah, need to fix that mirror now. All right. So this is what I don't want to do because it looks like it's so close to that. Now I'm gonna have to push forward again. All right, we managed to pack up. When you come in here, you normally push in there and you reverse on your good side. I'm not the best at blind spot, and this is how the truck ended. It's in between the blacks. That's all right. All right, time to get out of here. So let's go. So yeah, I should be coming all right from there. Yeah, we good there. Yes. So all I'm gonna do now is just pull up here, close the doors, and pull the seal. But I need to fix that mirror now. So I got the seal here. So put it on. That's it, sealed on. Let's get out of here and get to our next location, which is Heaton. So let's do it. Put the postcode in. All right, our next location is Heaton, which is not too far around, well, from here, and it's 30 miles. So that is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go around because it's quicker. It's gonna be a lot of traffic through the city center, and just go in the outskirts, and I'll be able to hit that. And I'll be there at 2 o'clock. So let's do it. I know for a fact that I'm not very good at blind spots. With the time goes, I will have more practice on blind spot. It's something that not many truckers get to do all the time. So it's something that we all need to work, especially me, because I want to get everything spot on. Guess who's in a bunch of traffic? Not like half one. Honestly, this is absolutely crazy. Yeah, you can go first, madam. You can push out, love, if you want. Yeah. Always be polite to the elderlies. Hopefully I managed to get out of this traffic before that even goes red. So let's see. Oh! Whoa! Yes, mom. Woo! All right, my truck instinct telling me the back entrance is the best option to get in. So I think this is the one, but approach slowly, let the car pass, and we find out. Okay, slowly. Yeah, that's the Sainsbury's there. All right, okay. Yeah, that's the back there. Oh my god, this is another crazy place as well. So find out this. Okay, I think I'm gonna block the road for a minute. It's saying no entry there, deliveries only. I'm just gonna go and ask the guys there. I'll be safe then, sorry. What you want, a lot? Which one? All right, that's the way in. Blocking the way, there's a car back there. So let me see how we do this. Yeah, I should be all right. So he's just planning this quite well. Okay, if I pull this way and then try and straighten it up. All right. Gotta be careful with that as well. Yeah, we're going to the other one there. Just get on the lines, and then I'll be able to push forward when they open the doors. Look at how easy, other than just doing it blind. You see how easy that turned out to be? Right, stop. It's always going to be as hard as you make it to be. So as long as it's not a blind spot reverse, you'll be all right. But to be honest, supermarket deliveries ain't for everyone. I like doing it. It's all right, son. All right, nearly there. All right, that's it. So gonna go and help them as well to offload this. So all right, my last train now. Get that out, and I'll be able to go and get to our next destination. So I do that. All right, 557,000 crates later, I managed to finish that, and I'm sweating, especially wearing this as well. Guess why it's raining now? I'm gonna get in my truck. I need to ring up the company and find out where I'm going. Yeah, I'll do that and then I come back. Oh, let's do that. All right, it's a bit tight to get out of there as well. And even though that we're close to that, we'll be able to swing. So I'm just gonna push forward, close my back doors and get out of here. So I'll do that. So with the swing of the trailer there, it should be all right, but it's like a really long one. I'm gonna have to like twist the trailer kind of stuff to be able to get out of there. But that door should be wide, I would say. But it's all right. Look at the tires of the trucks. Find out now. All right, let's do it. So remember the swing of air as well on the other side. Oh. All right, we should be all right there. So, okay, nobody's coming that way. It's gonna be hard to swing it around there, I think. Okay, should push it this way a bit. All right. Jesus. Like, honestly, guess who's trapped in traffic as well? So I need to move to that lane because that bridge on this side is 14.3. I'm 14.3, but it's only an inch. Probably there's got like gap space in between that because I don't know. It said 14.3 there, but I don't know how low it would be. So I'd rather just get in this lane, to be honest. Thank you. That's a good guy or good girl. I don't know who it is. To be honest, this is an amazing bridge. That's fabulous. That it's because that bridge has got out there. Look at that. It looks like somebody hit it already. They probably didn't put the things right before. Okay. Oh, I see why there's so much traffic on the road as well. It's because they closed the lane in rush hour. Because when I came this way earlier, that wasn't there. That lane wouldn't close, so must be an accident or something like that. And people, it's even gonna take longer now because people are gonna try to get in this lane as well. Oh, guess what? They just putting the signs up. That's why. They just putting the signs up. Traffic is absolutely mad. Come on, mate, get him. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Oh, they're taking it down now. That didn't last long. All right, yeah, get on this lane now. Way. Okay.